celebration mode outside Mamata Banerjee's residence in Kalighat, because after 2021, once again, Mamata Banerjee could hold on to TMC numbers, and the BJP numbers in Lok Sabha polls are not as what they expected. Mamata Banerjee well ahead of BJP in Lok Sabha polls, and there is absolutely a celebration mode. Though certain exit polls, most of the exit polls showed that BJP is ahead of Trinamool Congress, but when the ballot boxes opened up, it was TMC all over. So definitely this is again a big gain for Trinamool Congress. Now we have to really analyze that what are the reasons for which Mamata Banerjee could oust BJP and BJP's number reduced to what their number was in 2019. Number one reason what the experts are believing is Lokhir Bhandar. Lokhir Bhandar is a scheme through which the woman, they get 1,000 rupees every month. So every woman of West Bengal, they get 1,000 rupees per month. That is a trump card. That trump card has really helped Mamata Banerjee to be ahead of others, because in Bengal, 50% of the electorate is women voters. So there is always a need and there is always a try to win the women voters. Mamata has exactly done this. In 2021 also, Mamata won because of the women votes. There she declared that she will be starting off this Lokhir Bhandar, where she started off with 500, and in 2024 she increased that to 1,000. So Lokhir Bhandar had a huge impact on the ballot box, for which Mamata Banerjee, actually all the women votes went to Mamata Banerjee. Second most important reason is Sandesh Khali did not have that much of impact as that was expected by BJP. The sting operation came up, and that was campaigned by Trinamool Congress. Number three is obviously Abhishek Banerjee's management, the strategies, the campaign programs which he made. Mamata and Abhishek, both of them, did almost hundreds of meetings in various places of West Bengal for the last 3 months. Number four is other beneficiary projects of Trinamool Congress which they projected, like Konyashree, like Rupashree. Another important point is that Trinamool Congress projected that the poor people of this state, they are not getting Manrega money, for which Abhishek Banerjee also did a dharna during the puja. So from Durga Puja, they planned that what will be they playing for in the Lok Sabha polls. That is another reason. And overall, definitely the Mamata Connect at the end of the day, Mamata Banerjee reaching out to the people, telling them that BJP is an outsider party, this is a Bahari party, and they are the party from Bengal. And also by showing that the ED CBI things are only done on Trinamool Congress because they are the opposition. So they projected that they are the victim. From Sandesh Khali to the raids, the CBI and ED raids, all these were projected in a different way by Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee. And that's why Lokhir Bhandar obviously is trump card. All this together made Trinamool Congress again the leader of Lok Sabha here in Bengal.